Hello, little girl. Oh, are you visiting? You visiting? Yes. Look at that little peanut. Why do I like her? Oh, 'cause her body's a bit wonky. You're very cute. You're a vision. Yes, you are. What do you think about laying some eggs? Just as an aside, oh no, please don't do that. The color of the comb indicates when there's, oh great, ready to start laying eggs. See how hers is kind of pasty still? Yeah, that means, did she just poop? That means she ain't ready. When they start to get red, they're ready to start laying.